Ant mean a small insect.
Okay, enough. Okay, when you say ant, what do you mean about that?
Ant mean insect.
Means a small insect. Okay, what can you say about an ants? Ants, do you know the ants? Ants. Oh, what color the ants have? Let me check first.
Orange, red,
Red, orange. Okay.
black.
There's a white ants. Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
Mọi em có sao được?
Yes. Give me a paper. Hurry up. Give me the paper.
Much sao được?
You don't know? Huh? Okay. Read. Find in the dictionary, come on. Termites. White color. Right, Gabriel? 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 Termites is an ants. Yes or no? Correct. Okay. Yes or no? Huh? Do you think an ants only like that? Find in the Google in termites.
When I see, when I wake up in the morning, something termite me.
The one who eat the wood table. Anything about wood table. Okay, go now see. Okay, thank you, Gabriel. Termite. Termite. Go, find it. I'll expose this first. That lies thereof.
The insect
Ant.
live in hot countries and does a lot of the damage by
See, I
eating
told
the
you,
food.
trees and buildings.
That is not an ant. Come on.
It is an ant. Parts of an ant.
Oh, part.
Actually, want to study science. Okay, you understand what I mean? Okay, you see them? White color, right?
Yeah.
What color?
Oh,
Okay, you understand? Okay.
in my encyclopedia,
See, Gabriel, see.
with all of the ant species.
Yes, parts of the ant species, correct. Because Gabriel finished already in the
So I have encyclopedia science.
Yeah, you see? Can you bring the encyclopedia tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, Gabriel will have encyclopedia tomorrow. Okay, encyclopedia is a book that you can find anything there. Okay, about science. Okay, anyway, what did the ants do? Tell me now. No more this one. What did the ants do?
And eat the food
That is a termite. And I said anything.
and eat the fruit.
Eat the food.
Eat the food.
Eat the food, but eat the food. How about the people not eat sweet? I like to eat corn. Okay, born is it about giving birth. My mom gave born to me.
How about I born?
I was born.
I was born.
Apple.
What date in your birthday?
19.
Not first.
May.
And eat apple.
Okay, and eat apple. What kind of food that they eat?
Sweet.
People eat sweet too.
Oh.
Other animal eat sweet too. Dog eat sweet too. Cat eat sweet too.
Animal.
What kind of What kind of food that when the people eat? What kind of food that one? Start with letter C. And with letter B. Oh, I was born on May 19. What year? Yeah.
I was born.
On May 19.
My mom.
Give born to me. Okay. My mom, M-O-M. Or M-U-M. Tell me. Go! Answer. Ano yan? Read.
Crab.
Yan.
Crab.
Okay. One you say cramp. Dito, you eat. Eat. Go down. You see? What's this? Yan. Kakait. The ants later eat. So the ants eat like that. You understand? You understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure? You understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Everything that come out when we eat and fell down, we call it cramp. Cramp. Okay? Cramp. Little pieces of food. Okay? So now, why the ants work in summer? Sorry, that one in the story in the cartoon. Why the ants work? Look, oh, I see this one. Like, see summer, this one.
Sand.
Okay, why the ants? Why the ants work in summer? A job, right? I'm teaching you also help.
Collect the food.
To collect the food, correct. To collect the food, yeah. Another one.
And
One more.
then
Start with letter P. I always say that word. Okay, every one of you, you need to do like this because if not, you don't have food to eat, right?
and cut the food.
What?
And
What's your answer? Preserve. Remember, you have a ref where you should put the icy food. What's your answer? Preserve the food. They not collect only, but they need to keep their food. If not keep their food, they don't have food to eat. You understand? So that's why they need to work in summer. In winter, what they do? Winter, cold. Cold.
Wow.
You see the ants are not there anymore, right? Oh, what did they do?
Inside the house.
Wait, quiet.
Make
Make
the
what?
house.
Make a tea. My mom
make
gave
the
one tea.
house.
Okay.
Trong này. Make the
Make a house. Again, another one. What's that? They rest. Because very cold, you want to go out in the cold weather, so they rest. Okay. Ayan, number 2, add.
Add mean put one thing with another.
Circle is a form of a shape. Circle is a form of a shape.
Circle is up. Form of a shape.
Okay, wait a minute. I need to finish this one first game. Wait a minute. Okay, add means put one thing with another. Okay, what is the only one? One. What is the thing that you will add in your life? Tibet, life, family. Why?
Because family.
If you don't know, you don't have family. Because family, why?
Because family
Teach me.
teach me and cook the food give for me every day.
What?
And,
Okay, go.
and take care of me.
Take care of me. Okay.
Uh,
Give her a question mark.
and
always family.
and always family. Bạn ơi số ai bring me go to school every day.
The one. You can see a lot in families, right?
And family to have
Oh, you use the word I, so put the word I. Which is mother.
I suppose.
May look to ate ah.
The child didn't have it.
Chord is a music instrument.
But when I say one like having it's like
Huh? What you mean? It's okay. A horn have a music.
my mother
My mother take care of me.
take care of me
Bring me
and
to school every day.
yeah and
And also give birth to me. So that's why. So that's why they're added in my life.
the other in my
Add in my life. Added.
add them in my
Where you can find a bank. Not the bank that put the money, it's the
ground by like a river.
And then what are the creatures that you can find in the bank? What are the creatures, animals that you can see in the
You
bank?
can see the crab,
The crab.
crab, dolphin,
Huh? Okay.
shark.
There's a shark in the bank. This is a low stream. This is a low river. The water is not too deep. Sometimes you can swim there. You can get that one and you eat that one and you cook it in the fried rice.
Lobster.
What's that? Lobster?
That's not in that hole.
No, there's no lobster there.
That's it, man.
Different, the lobster is a big one. Fish! Correct! The small fishes. Next.
Shark.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Oh, it's frog.
And the frog.
The frog. Another one. The small have a home in the back.
Oh, I know it.
Start with letter S.
Snail.
Snake.
Snail.
Snail. Okay.
And snake.
Yeah, there's a snake there too. Okay, there's a snake too.
And
Okay.
how about
Listen.
Bomb.
What is it? Another one. There's another one. Quack quack.
Duck.
You do not see the duck there. Another one. One more.
Duck and title. Turtle.
Turtle. Okay. And what are the plants that you can see? Plants.
Ocean.
Ocean plants. Plants.
Ocean. No.
Next.
Plant. I can see
Which answer on? Plants. You look this one. What do you call about this one? Seedweeds.
And rock.
Plants is not a rock. Plants is a stone. Okay, that's what I know. Plants is a plant. The one that you can see that grow. Rock is a stone. You understand? Hard. This one is a plant. Shrubs. Grass. Yes or no?
yes.
Can you see a tree?
No.
Where? Are you sure there's no tree in the bank? Don't have. When you say down in the bank, when you say bank, it is the edge of the, what is that? The edge of the ground, right? Edge, the end. You know this one, the river, and then you can see down there. You understand? The soil have like this?
Land.
Like a land. Yeah, correct. Like a land. Okay? Bank means the ground by a lake or river. When you say ground, it means soil. Land. You understand? Okay. Okay, finish now. You will cry already to me.